How to change quality on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the quality of your Amazon Prime Video. So stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do it. So if you are using a mobile device, you won't find a direct option to adjust the video quality. So instead, you'll need to use a web browser to access the Prime Video website. And now to do this, simply open any web browser on your device and go to the primevideo.com and then log into your account and select the video you want to watch. And once the video starts playing, look for the settings icon. It may appear as a secure lock icon or options menu. Simply click on it and you will see a video quality settings. And by default, Amazon Prime automatically adjusts the quality based on your internet speed, but if you have a strong connection, it will select the best quality for you. However, if you want to manually change it, just click on the quality option and select your preferred settings. And if your internet connection is slow, you can switch to better or good quality. But keep in mind that better quality consumes about 1.40 GB per hour and good quality uses around 0.38 GB per hour. So choosing a lower quality can help prevent buffering and ensure smooth playback. And that's it. That's how you can change video quality on Amazon Prime Video. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.